Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this product the company sent me, so I could go ahead and unbox it, review it for you before you buy it. This is a hot and cold photon beauty instrument. So let's go ahead and take a look. I'm going to be unboxing it, showing you the features and showing you how to use this product. All right, so let's go ahead and open the box. This is what the box looks like, the packaging, high frequency vibration, introduce essence, ice application for soothing and suitable for all skin types. So this is the packaging. Let's take a look at this side. So it just kind of gives you two pictures on there. So let's go ahead and take it out. So we're going to go ahead and open it. Look at the package. All right, so right at the front, you have the instruction manual right here. Just going to go ahead and kind of give you an introduction to their product, how to use it, eye care, neck care, health care. Gives you a guide, a step-by-step guide. All right, and this is the little machine. It's actually pretty lightweight. Let's take it out of the packaging. All right, so this is what that looks like. Let me see what else is in here. So when you use it, you do want to go ahead and remove this right here. You could target small areas like under eyes, or larger areas like your neck or your face. It only weighs about 2.8 ounces, so it's really easy to handle. It's not heavy. So here you do get the little charging cable, and to charge it, you simply want to just go ahead and lift this right here on the side. Lift that right there, and it gives you access to the port where you're going to charge it. And then it's super easy to use. As you can see here, it has the power, and then it has the different modes right here. Let's go ahead and power it on. Let's see if it has any sound. So you can see it was a quick light vibration. Here's the cool. So the red is the hot, the blue is the cool, and then you press it again and it'll start lightly vibrating. The hot mode heats up to about 113 degrees Fahrenheit. This opens your pores for deep cleansing. It helps serums absorb better. It also feels like relaxing spot treatment while you glide it over your neck and jawline. When you switch to the cold mode, it drops around 41 degrees Fahrenheit. This tightens up pores, reduces puffiness, and instantly cools redness. It is small and portable and easy to use for face and neck routines.